You're probably earning more than you did a few years ago, but somehow, your bank balance still hasn't changed. As an accountant who has spent years analyzing thousands of financial statements, one thing is clear: people don't stay poor because of low income, they stay poor because of bad habits. Today, I'll break down the money habits silently keeping you broke, and how to fix them starting today. When your income goes up, your spending goes up even faster. You get a raise, and suddenly your old phone looks outdated. Your bike becomes a car. Your small apartment becomes a deserved upgrade. This slow lifestyle creep kills wealth before it even begins. A powerful rule is this: if your income increases, let your lifestyle grow only 10% and save or invest the rest. Wealth is built quietly and consistently. Most people don't actually have a money problem, they have an "I don't know where it went" problem. As an accountant, I've seen people making six figures yet still broke at the end of the month simply because they never track their spending. You can't control what you don't measure. Use any simple app, a spreadsheet, or even paper, just track your inflow and outflow. It's the first step to financial freedom. Credit cards, quick loans, and buy now pay later options are not conveniences, they're wealth killers. High interest debt silently drains your future income. You're not just paying for what you bought, you're paying for it again and again. The best fix is to pay off the smallest high interest debt first to build momentum, then wipe out the rest. Freedom begins where debt ends. Most people are one emergency away from financial disaster. A hospital bill, a job loss, or a broken car can push anyone into debt if they don't have a financial cushion. Start with just $500 to $1,000 as an emergency fund, then slowly build up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. It gives you peace of mind and protects your future wealth. A lot of people stay poor because they're trying to get rich fast. Crypto schemes, random stock tips, and double your money promises sound tempting, but they often end in loss. The wealthy don't gamble their future, they follow boring, consistent systems like value investing, compound growth, and long-term assets. Get rich fast thinking creates stay poor forever results. Saving money is good, but saving alone won't make you rich. Inflation eats your savings every year. Your money has to work for you through investments, stocks, index funds, real estate, businesses, or digital assets you truly understand. If you don't invest, inflation quietly steals from you. Most people save whatever is left after spending, which usually means nothing is saved. The wealthy follow one principle: pay yourself first. The moment money comes into your account, route a fixed percentage to savings or investments automatically. If you don't automate your money, your emotions will control it. Your income is directly tied to your skills. If your skills aren't growing, your income won't grow either. Spend at least 30 minutes a day improving a high-income skill: communication, finance, marketing, coding, sales, anything you can monetize. Skill growth leads to income growth. You're not poor because of one big mistake. You're poor because of small money habits repeated for years. When you fix the habits, your bank balance will finally start to change. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Invest Mindset for more financial wisdom.